Guys, what is going on? We are out here with the Freewing. Beautiful Eurofighter, guys. Check that out. This one is on 8S. It's massive. It's a good sized bird. I mean, you can take a look at it here and see. We're going to do a speed trial on it. We've got the GPS inside of there, got the radar gun right there. Pilot Will's got it in his hand, and we're going to take this sucker up and see exactly how fast it's going, all right?
Let's do it, man.
And see what it's going. So we've got two 5004S CHNLs in here. So
some beast of a batteries in
yeah,
there.
65C. So we're going to take it up and see how it does. You ready?
Let's do it.
All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Here we go. All right. I say we do it. Look at that, man. See how it goes down? I love that.
Get that air in there for that thrust.
That's just a ton of power, man. It's a ton of power.
Got that new 90mm unit in there too.
Yes, sir. Nothing but pure power. All right. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Lights flashing. Beautiful sun right there for the shot. All right, up and away. Here we go.
About 30 miles an hour.
Nice. And that was with no flaps too, by the way. Gonna just trim it a little bit. All right, you ready? We're gonna do, wow, look at those lights.
105.
105, that was with the gear down, dude. That's 50% throttle. Look, I'm not kidding you. 70% throttle.
Say, Bobby, don't be jerking people's legs like that, man.
All right,
but that was with the gear down, though.
Yeah, that's nuts, right? All right, let's try it again. 50% throttle.
That was 50% throttle.
Yes, sir.
117.
117. Holy crap. Okay. Wow. I say we do 100% throttle. What you think?
I'm scared.
I am too. Sometimes got to be scared in life. All right, flat and level. 100% throttle. You ready?
Let's do it. $120. Man. And she's it goes where you point it, man. She's cruising too.
Yeah, it just wants to go fast. It's an excellent flying airplane. All right, we're gonna do a slight dive. You ready?
All right.
Slight dive. 100% throttle.
$126.
126.
I don't know. I think the GPS might tell more of the truth on that one.
Well, it was a slight dive. It wasn't like steep. We need to come out here for the steep stuff.
All right. Looking for you.
You ready?
Looking for you. Got you.
All right, here we go. Steep dive. Danger zone. What'd you get?
147.
147 miles an hour? Dude, this thing is nuts, man.
Yeah, she cooking.
That is nuts.
Let me get back on her for you guys.
It just wants to go fast. And I'm up there. Let's do 50% throttle.
What's that? You gonna do a long travel or something?
Yep. Ready?
All right.
50%.
Just look where the gun at, guys. It's coming. Well, she cruising at 76.
That's clean, dude. And it feels really good. And you know, this is a high alpha monster too, this airplane. Look how slow it's going. Let's see how slow it goes.
Yeah, let's do that.
We got 13 seconds left on the clock.
They'll see it. The China Hobby lines are.
Yeah, they're fine.
Yeah, they're gonna handle that.
Right, let's see how slow we can get it. You ready?
$53.
53. That's nice.
That's not probably as slow as it can go.
No, not at all.
I'm pretty sure it could probably go 35, 37 miles an hour easy.
Easy. But I'm gonna drop the gear. We're gonna set up for a landing. You ready?
Let's do it.
got to be smarter. I don't want to, you know, stick this one in. This is a really nice flyer. This one kind of
yeah, you definitely don't want to stick that one in.
Look at those lights, man. Look at those lights. Nice.
It said 40 something roundabout, but it came across the radar a little funny.
Dude, look at that. That's just a nice looking bird, man. It is super scaled out with the lights flashing.
Yeah, Freewing did a really good job on this one.
They did. Makes me wonder what that new J10 would be looking like, right? But
yeah,
I would say it'd have to be the same.
It's got to be about the same. I mean, it's basically a Eurofighter and a Rafale.
It's like a Chinese Eurofighter.
Yeah, all mixed in.
Yeah. Well, let's take a look. We've got the GPS inside. I'm kind of interested to see how fast we got it for that one. So let's pop it up. Pop in the top. Wow. Do you see that? 145. You're upside down.
Yeah, I'm upside down. So
here, let me look at that.
Let me come around like
look at that, guys.
So we don't accidentally lose it.
That's 145 miles an hour on the GPS. And you got 140.
140. What was it? 146?
I think so. 146, 45.
So they were accurate.
So this is accurate. So on 8S, guys, this is 145, 146 mile an hour airplane. If we wanted to be even more aggressive and put it in a steeper dive, obviously it would have hit 150. But this gives you an idea of what this bird is capable of and what it flies around and cruises at, man. I mean, it's just an awesome bird. I mean, it's got some really cool details. Air brake. You know, canards. I mean, I don't know what more you want out of an airplane. So this is a really nice setup. So we just pushed the airplane, and hold tight. We're gonna go check those batteries. Okay, we're back at it, and we got the trusty checker here. We're gonna see if this. Let's see how these how they're feeling in my hand. All right, they're warm. So yes, they definitely got a good workout for sure. That was what, 3 minutes 30 seconds on the clock. Of hard flying. 13%.
Good timing.
3.6, 3.6, 3.7, 3.6. So there you go. That's on.
You're playing it dangerous.
Dude, I told you, man. I push it for the channel so you guys don't have to crash your airplanes. That's why we do what we do with the speed trial. So you guys don't have to risk your hard-earned money. Your hard-earned money. You know. All right, here we go. 13%.
Oh, at least it's balanced.
Yeah, they're balanced. 3.7, 3.6, 3.7, 3.6. There you go. So, guys, awesome flying airplane. Really enjoy this bird. It's always fun to fly. I don't fly it enough, and you know, I'm gonna get it out here and take some more flights of it, man. It's beautiful, good looking bird. So, guys, if this is something that you want a good stable all-around flyer, this is your bird. High alpha monster, you can do it in the right hands, but today was speed trial day. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Pilot RC Will on the camera. Certainly appreciate you helping me out, man, in the sling.
Yeah, man.
Guys, don't forget to check out his channel. Stay tuned. More of this coming. Here we go.